really appreciate all the work you put into the new Corvette. Oh, because David's trying to kill me. Did the tires do something wrong to you? Because you were punishing them. Oh, this is gonna be close. 130. You beat me. 134.50.
Winning! And it was a mess.
I spent most of the time that side just going clink, clink, clink. The Corvette's not built for a helmet. David kicked my butt by half a second in the C7, so we hopped in the go-kart, and on the warm-up lap, I found out just how good those EBC brakes work.
Saw that coming.
That happened fast.
That's just tapping the brakes, right?
Yep. What it is, the go-kart is light, it is nimble, it accelerates good, it turns pretty well, the tires are good. If we had a few more laps or a few more hours or a few more wrenches, this would be a pretty awesome race car.
Seconds slower than the Lingenfelter.
Not bad. I'm a fan.
Really?
I'm totally a fan. This has so much potential.
But the issues are that you tap the brakes and it wants to come around.
You have to completely drive different. You can't barrel into a corner and then lay into the brakes.
Sure.
It just wants to spin out.
Yeah,
but
no,
it handles good.
Really?
Yeah, it steers really good. It's really not that loose. It's the perfect amount of power for what it is right now, I think.
Yeah.
Dude, the first couple times around, I was spooked. I was like, this thing's gonna kill me, my arm's gonna come out the side.
Right.
You know, we're gonna flip it. But once you spin it out and you realize it's not tipping over.
Look at all the oil on your helmet.
Yeah, we've got something happening over here.
A hole in the valve cover, maybe?
Yeah, that's just rust prevention, as far as I'm concerned. It's not on the tires, so it's safe.
So, I had confidence in the new Corvette saving me from myself. I don't have that here.
I think your sense of self-preservation will really just kick in.
Yeah, this thing lets me be as stupid as I want to be, and I don't want to be that stupid in it. What's your level of fear right now?
Yeah, I don't trust you. I really don't. So I'm about a 9. Just gonna hold on to these.
You know, the thing is, the whole Vette hack idea could be legitimate. Stripping a C4 down to its bare bones and caging it, this thing only weighs 2,100 pounds. You could science out the suspension on this, give it some more horsepower. Imagine a Lingenfelter crate motor in this car. It would destroy all, and it would be an actual threat at a time attack event anywhere.